Welcome to day 2 of our Green Thumb release intro.
Everything you see today will be available on June 5th at 10 a.m. Arizona time.
Yesterday was all about postage collage gardening scenes. Today, we're building those ideas into dimensional garden cards with gnomes, pots, herbs, plant markers, and a simple backdrop. Let's start with the Happy Gnomes Die.
Create happy little garden gnomes with this layering die set.
The set includes pieces for the hat, coat, beard, mustache, nose, pants, and boots.
Layer the pieces to build each gnome with a clean, simple look.
Change the gnome's height by sliding the legs up or down behind the body.
Use different colors for the hats and coats to give each gnome its own personality.
Tuck them into garden scenes with pots, plants, wheelbarrows, and little sentiments.
Now that we have our gnomes, let's give them a place to stand with the garden backdrop die.
Create a simple base for your garden scenes with the garden backdrop die.
This set includes a wooden fence and a close-up view of a wheelbarrow.
Use them together or separately, depending on your layout.
Try filling the wheelbarrow with pots, plants, and gnomes from the Green Thumb release.
The fence works well behind gardening icons and layered scenes.
Mix these backdrop pieces into cards, tags, and larger garden scenes.
Next, we're adding the plants that bring these garden scenes to life.
Build cheerful potted plants with the Pots and Plants die.
The set includes pots, pansies, and a tomato plant with details for creating your own arrangements.
Tuck the stems into the pot cut lines while adjusting the height of your plants.
Layer the flowers, leaves, and tomato details in your favorite cardstock colors.
Stack the pots vertically or line them up in a row for a different layout. For a different kind of garden pot, we also have the Happy Herbs die.
Create layered herb pots with the Happy Herbs die.
This set includes a large terracotta pot and several herb sprigs for building your own arrangements. Tuck the herb stems into the pot opening while adjusting their heights.
Layer different cardstock colors for simple shading and dimension on the pot. Mix the herbs together or use just one variety for a cleaner look.
Pair the pots with the plant marker product to add a little message and labels.
And that brings us to the plant marker combo, which adds tiny words and signs to your garden scenes.
Add little messages to your garden scenes with the plant marker combo.
The combo includes 3 2-layer plant markers and a set of small greetings and words.
Layer the marker pieces in different cardstock colors for quick dimension.
Stamp little greetings directly onto the markers to create tiny signs for your plants. Mix the markers and greetings to personalize each garden scene.
These work especially well with the pots and plants from the Green Thumb release. Today we explored the Happy Gardening group, starting with the Happy Gnomes Die for building layered garden gnomes.
Then we used the garden backdrop die to create a fence and wheelbarrow base for dimensional garden scenes.
We also added potted plants with the Pots and Plants die and layered herb arrangements with the Happy Herbs die.
And we finished the scenes with the plant marker die and plant marker words stamp set for tiny labels and messages.
For a chance to win today's giveaway, like this video and let us know in the comments which product from today's intro you would choose if you win today's $50 gift certificate. All of the details are in the description below.
For more chances to win, visit our Instagram account.
All new products will be available on June 5th at 10 a.m. Arizona time.
Tomorrow, we're creating seed packet designs in both postage collage and standalone styles. See you then!